Hello, my name is Paul Victor, and this is my CS50 Web Programming project for a social network app called Network. I will demonstrate all features in this video. So, the first thing, register and login. I'm going to register. You can register. So, I'm clicking on register. So, I'll register another account again. Register another account again. Very good. So, I'm going to log out and then click on login. So the register and login functions work well. So the next thing is to create a post. I'm going to create a post and then I'm going to say click the post button and then it works. So next one is all posts, page and pagination. So as you can see from here, all see, so everything is here. Let me try to create more posts. This is so 10 page and then move next. So it works. So next is profile page and follow or unfollow. So using my account Victor1, I'm going to click on all posts again, and then I'll click on precious and I'll follow precious. So I follow precious. Now if I click on following, now the next thing is following page. So if I click on the following page, this is the person I'm following right now, and that is precious. I'm following precious. So next thing is to edit posts. To edit posts, I will come to network and then I will click on my post, which is this is my second post. I'm going to click on edit and then I'm going to change it to fifth, my fifth post here, and then I'm going to click on save. So editing page actually works now. It's automatically updated without even refreshing. So the next thing is the like and unlike button. So if I click on this post, I like it, and if I click it again, it's unlike. So like works, unlike works. So I'm going to like it because I like myself. Next again is the quick. Okay, fine. All right, that's all for now. So and this is very simple. The network page. So just to recap, let's try. So this is the network page I created. I created a user for Victor1 and then I posted here and the post worked. I can like and I can also unlike. Though I added a few tweak of comments, but that's not necessarily what you need now. So and then the following page works perfectly. And if I log out and log in as precious one, it works. So they actually works, and I can also like making two likes. The count of the likes is increasing. So thank you once again. I've successfully demonstrated all the required specification for this project. My name is Paul Victor, and this is CS50. Thank you very much. God bless you.